Night skin care routine for dry skin. Once the sun goes down and you are back home, it is time to wash off all the tiredness from your skin and repair the damage. Follow these steps to care for your dry skin at night. Step 1. Remove the dirt and makeup. Taking off your makeup is essential before you start your nighttime routine. You may use an oil-based cleanser or a cleansing oil to remove your makeup. This helps thoroughly dissolve the makeup and also replenishes your dry skin before you wash it. Step 2. Cleanse your face. Once you remove your makeup, you need to wash your face. Use a gentle water-based cleanser to wash your face and remove all traces of dirt. Step 3. Exfoliate your skin. Do this step no more than twice a week. Exfoliating or scrubbing helps get rid of dead skin cells and makes your skin smooth and soft. Always use a moisturizing face scrub or exfoliator to clean your face. Step 4. Hydrate your skin with facial mist. Avoid using astringent lotions. Instead, use a toning mist on your face. Mists help keep your skin hydrated and prepare it to absorb other skin care products. Step 5. Apply hydrating serum. Serums contain a high concentration of active ingredients that replenish your skin and keep it healthy. If you have dry skin, you may try serums with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. They will refresh your skin and keep it soft. Step 6. Apply night cream or sleep mask. A good quality moisturizing night cream can help repair and help your skin recover while you sleep. You need to choose a night cream based on your preferences, anti-aging, anti-pigmentation, or other requirements.